Ted Bernhard's Industry Limited produces creative and modern clothes concepts through a sustainable production. With our unique design and strong branding concept, we assist our customers in their everyday challenges. From order receiving to shipment, our each and individual department works as a team to fulfill our customers' demand. We offer a full service setup with design, pattern making, technical expertise, sourcing, and production of samples, no matter what if it is a suit, seam-sealed jacket, or sweater. We are able to do it in our design studio and office in Baridhara DOH's Dhaka. With our two specialized factories, Ted Bernhard's Textile Industry Limited and S2L Fashions Private Limited in Gazipur. Ted Bernhard's Textile Industry Limited is a manufacturer of suits in both corporate and fashion industries, situated 13 kilometers away from Hazrat Shahjalal International Airport. The factory covers an area of 98,000 square feet and is set up over 4 floors containing over 8 production lines. Currently, monthly production capacity are 104,000 pieces trousers and 52,000 pieces jackets. Our technicians and sample operators are highly skilled, and they have been trained by Turkish and Chinese experts, so they can support our customers with any kind of designs and patterns. Our factory is equipped with the latest automated machineries from best global suppliers, which includes fusing machines from Veit, Germany and Martin, Italy. Cutting sections are equipped with auto spreaders and auto cutters for better accuracy. Sewing machines from Japan, Turkey and Germany for high quality seam operations. Durkop Adler, Pfaff, Robotech and Brother. Pressing machines from Veit, Germany. Railing system from Germany, which moves the product from production lines to warehouse. S2L Fashions Private Limited started its journey in Bangladesh in the year of 2012. Today, S2L has become one of the leading and pioneer safety garments and workwear manufacturing company in Bangladesh. Apart from that, S2L also specializes in outerwear and bottoms manufacturer to some of the world's leading brands. S2L has enlarged its business size up to 60,000 square foot with a monthly capacity of 3 lakh pieces of safety garments and 1,70,000 pieces of trousers. 80,000 pieces of shirts. S2L also contributes to the country's economy by providing employment for more than 1,000 people over 14 different production lines. Our major customers. Our employees are our strongest asset, and we ensure that the working environment at both of our factories are safe, comfortable and productive. We can proudly say that our factories are certified by Accord, ISO, RWS, BSCI, SEDEX and our buyers. We believe that our customers must stand at the center of all our activities. We focus on production of top quality garments in a fully compliant environment, meeting timely delivery.